I'm excited about the ATM business in the future, and you should be too. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I'm an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Now, why would you want to start an ATM business? That's going to be personal to each individual, but there's a bunch of reasons people, sorry, that's our ring going off. There's a bunch of reasons why people would want to start an ATM business. You know, some folks want to get out of their 9 to 5 jobs. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks are tired of putting out a ton of cash in an investment to make a decent return. And instead, they prefer to put a smaller amount of cash out to make a decent return. And then there's some folks who are just finally ready to make their money work for them instead of them always, working for the money, right? So there's different reasons. You could be in one or two or several categories, but that's going to be individual to each person why they want to start an ATM business. Why you should work with me if you want to start an ATM business is I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches. All right, so once again, as you can see, did not do my hair today, and I'm in my bed. My ankle is still it's what is this, 2 weeks and a day now that I broke my ankle. It's getting way better. However, right after I get out of the shower, it's really angry. So angry after I get out of the shower. I don't even know why. Like I literally barely touch it to wash it, and it's just like it's like the Hulk. Anyway, so I lay down after I get out of the shower. And I'm probably gonna ask my wife to give me some ice in a second. But anyway, listen, I know there's a lot of doom and gloom going on right now about all businesses and about the state of the world and just about what's going on with coronavirus and everything. And don't get me wrong, there's some serious stuff going on, and we need to be paying attention to it. We need to be conscious of it. We need to be social distancing. We need to have our masks and our gloves and all that kind of great stuff, right? Totally understand, and I get it, but I don't want you guys to lose the fact that the ATM business is still a great business to be in, right? I'm super, super excited. Like, I got so excited this week about the ATM business because I know as soon as this all ends, and believe me, this isn't going to last forever, guys, right? We're not going to be the way we are right now forever. I'm putting it on silence. Hold on a second. We're not going to be in the situation that we're in now forever. You know what I mean? There's gonna be, what the heck was this? Oh, there it is. It's gonna end, right? It's gonna end. We're gonna get back to normal, and that is super exciting to me. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, right? We're gonna get back to normal, and I'm super pumped about that because all our machines right now are down except for 2, right? Which, of course, that sucks, but I'm super excited that once this ends, all those machines are going to get put back up. So I'm excited for me, but more importantly, I'm really, really excited for the business owners, right? When you're in the ATM business, sometimes I think you might, how do I say it? I think you just don't realize how important you are to these business owners. You know what I mean? Like sometimes I feel like we think, I'm just putting an ATM in a business to make some money. No big deal. It is a big deal to that business owner. It is a big deal. And number one, these business owners, they're closed now. So they're losing money, obviously. But then number two, once they open up, they're going to be, of course, ecstatic and thrilled that they can get back to business as normal. But 3, when you put that ATM in there and you put that money in there, you plug it in and the light goes on that the ATM is operational, that's going to be huge for them. They're going to be excited for that, right? Because that ATM brings them traffic. That ATM and the money that comes out of it goes into their pocket, right? And then if you're paying profit sharing, that's just extra free money for them, basically, right? So you should be excited. You should be excited that this is not going to last forever. It's going to end. And once that ends, you're going to get back grooving, right, with your ATM business. But you're going to help these business owners again. And I think you're going to be more conscious of how much your ATM means to them and their business and their customers, maybe more so than you have been. right? I know that the only two um, locations that we have up now, they're convenience stores, and I know they are super, super appreciative of us coming there, cleaning the machines, disinfecting the machines, and making sure they have money in them. I know they are super appreciative, and I know they'd be really upset if we didn't come to fill the machines. And at first, I was gonna say, hey, we're not filling these machines. I'm not taking a chance, But then I started to feel bad because, the one business owner has been with us since 2009, and they're just a small little convenience shop, a small little deli convenience store, and they're cash only, right? The other places, the other convenience store is not cash only, but this one is cash only, and it's in this town where there's not a lot of banks around. So they would legit lose money if we didn't stock that ATM. And I started thinking about them and I got so upset. I was like, oh my God, I can't do that to them. So then that's when I said to Kathy, all right, we got to fill these two machines we got. They're depending on us. We just got to make sure we got our mask on and our gloves, and we wipe down the machines and do all that stuff. So that's what we've been doing. But I know, like, for a fact, these two business owners right now super appreciate us and the service we provide. But I also know that once that the light starts to shine bright and everything gets back to normal, all these other business owners are going to appreciate us too, right? And of course, we're going to appreciate them. So there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I'm excited to be a part of the ATM business, not only to get our machines up and running again, but to get new spots, to get new locations, right? I'm really ready to, as you know, well, you should know, or maybe you don't know, you might be new to me, but we just moved to Rehoboth Beach in October. So we moved from Pennsylvania to Delaware in October, late October. So it's kind of like I'm in a new area, just like you might be starting out. So you're starting out in your area, and so it's new to you. Well, this is a new area for me, so it's new to me in this area. But the more I think about it, like I'm just super stoked and ready to get cranking and affect and impact more businesses once once everything gets back to normal. And I think you should be just as excited. I really do. Um, I have some students who are in areas that aren't as impacted and don't have the same things going on as the East Coast. Like, New York and Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, we're all like shut down and shelter in place, and, only essential businesses are open, right? Banks are drive through only. I have students who aren't in states like that. Like, they are literally still installing ATMs. They can go into a bank physically and open a bank account, right? Or get their cash or what have you. Um, so they're still out there cranking. Like, they're still out there kicking butt. I look forward to joining them. And you should look forward to joining them, right? So if you're in a state that's in like lockdown, I'll say, no worries, right? Now's the time to learn this business, right? If you want me to help you, of course, you know how I can help you. You go to atmtrainingvideo.com. So now's the time to hunker down, put your nose to the grind, learn the business, learn the ins and outs, set everything in motion for when this all ends and gets back to normal. You can, boom, take off like a rocket, right? If you're in an area that's not like on lockdown and things are kind of like normal, or as normal as they can be in this point in time. Again, what's stopping you? Let's go. Get cranking. Like I literally have students that are still placing ATMs right now. Okay, they're still placing ATMs. I was just on a coaching call last night. New student is looking for a bank account, and I said to him, I'm like, I forget what his name was. I think it was Jay. Oh no, that definitely was not Jay because he's in Jersey. I think it was. Hold on a second. I don't know if I think it might have been Justin. I asked him, I'm like, so are the banks like open where you are? He's like, oh yeah, I can totally go into the banks. And I was like flabbergasted because these banks you can't go into now, right? Like you literally cannot open a bank account here. That you have to just go through their drive-through just to do your normal banking, like withdraw money or deposit. Like you can't say, hey, I'm new, I want to open an account, because they won't let you inside. So I do have students. There are still areas where students are cranking. They're still placing ATMs. They're still able to open bank accounts. Okay. So if you're in an area like that, don't let all this stop you. Don't let all this stop you. I mean, you know what? I think you still should probably be careful, and heed the warning of all the areas around you. Um, but you can still place your ATM machines. You can still open your bank accounts. You can still make a difference in a business owner's life, because here's the thing. If, let's say, your state gets to the point where our states are, then they're going to appreciate that cash that they had coming in, right? And you will too. But anyways, listen, you guys should be excited. I hope you're excited. Let me know in the comments. Post below if you are excited about the ATM business, the future of it, right? Cash ain't going anywhere. Cash is safe to use. Don't listen to any of that BS talking about, don't use cash, don't use cash. Just Google it, guys. Cash is safe to use, all right? And I'm speaking like with this coronavirus stuff going on, because in general, of course, cash is safe to use, But I'm excited about the business. I hope you're excited too. Post below. Let me know what you're most excited about. When all this ends, let me know what you're most excited about. I'm excited about interacting with business owners again. I really like that. I really enjoy that, and I think they do too. And I think you'll start to enjoy it too once you get into this business. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to click that little ATM right there and subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell, like the notification, and click all, so every time I post a video, you're notified of it. And again, give me some likes, post some comments below. Let me know what you're most excited about with the ATM business when this all ends. If you have any ideas for future videos, post them below as well. And of course, if you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Guys, get excited. Seriously, get excited, because this is going to end and we are going to all take off together. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.